Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Meglan. Today I'm here again with a video on the rules in the absence of partnership deed. In my previous video we had discussed the meaning of partnership and also the contents and meaning of partnership deed. Partnership deed is a written document which contains the details of the agreement between the partners. Now, as I told you in the previous video itself, that partnership deed is not mandatory or compulsory for a partnership business, but it is always advised to have a partnership deed so that there is no confusion and conflict among the partners. Now in this video we will be discussing the rules in the absence of partnership deed. If there is no partnership deed, what are the rules? So rule number 1 states that profit or loss shared equally among partners. So if there is no partnership deed, the profit and loss will be shared equally among the partners. Second rule is no interest on capital allowed to partners. Yes, there will be no interest on capital invested by the partners will be allowed to any of the partners. Third one, no salary, commission or remuneration allowed to partners. Yes, no salary, commission or remuneration will be allowed to the partners if there is no partnership deed. Then no interest on drawings will be charged. Yes, there will be no interest on drawings which will be charged on the drawings of the partners. Then we have interest on loans. So if there is any interest on loan advanced by partners to the firm, must be allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. So interest on loans will be allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. This is an important line, 6% per annum. You have to remember it, because sometimes objective questions are usually comes for this kind of topic. So again, there is, without the consent of all existing partners, no new partners shall be admitted to the firm. Yes, without the consent of all the partners, without any consent, no new partner can be admitted to the firm. So these are the rules in case of absence of partnership deed. So deed is basically prepared, partnership deed is basically prepared in order to avoid the confusions and conflicts. But in some cases, this partnership deed is not prepared. In that case, these rules are to be followed by a partnership firm. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on accountancy, motivation, career guidance. Thank you all.